In this video, we'll talk about the uncertainty surrounding the upcoming US presidential election and how it could impact the stock market. With less than 3 weeks to go before the November 5th election, polls show a tight race. According to Real Clear Politics, Harris is slightly ahead with 49.1% of the vote, while Trump follows closely with 47.4%. But with just a 1.7% difference, the outcome is still highly uncertain. Especially in key battleground states, even a small shift in voter sentiment could change everything. The battleground states in this election include Arizona, Georgia, Michigan, North Carolina, Nevada, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin. These states are critical because they've swung between parties in past elections and could determine who wins. Let's talk issues. On the economy, Trump has the edge. 50% of voters favor his policies compared to 40% for Harris. He also leads on immigration, with 52% support compared to Harris's 36%. These are key issues that could drive voters toward Trump. But Trump faces challenges, especially on abortion. Harris leads here with 57% support, compared to Trump's 41%. This issue could be a game changer for many voters. Now, what does all of this mean for the stock market? If Trump wins, there are concerns about rising US debt, which could push long-term interest rates higher. Since the 1970s, the US debt to GDP ratio has been growing, and higher rates could make it more expensive for the government to manage its debt. If fiscal deficits continue to grow, businesses and individuals could face higher borrowing costs, slowing economic growth. Analysts predict that if Trump wins, the fiscal deficit could widen by as much as $7.5 trillion between 2026 and 2035, which could push long-term rates even higher. On the other hand, if Harris wins, we might see a reduction in market uncertainty. Harris's policies are seen as more stable, which could ease concerns about rising interest rates, potentially leading to a stock market rally by the end of the year. In conclusion, the election outcome is still up in the air, but either way, it will have a significant impact on the stock market. If Trump wins, expect short-term volatility, while a Harris victory could bring more stability. No matter what happens, investors should be prepared for market shifts and plan their strategies carefully in the weeks ahead.